Welcome, I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us analyze IndiaMART InterMESH stock and opportunity for investment at this moment. Let us understand its business. It is one of the India's largest online B2B marketplace, connecting buyers with suppliers. It has 60% market share of the online business to business space in India. It has 125 million plus buyers, 6.5 million plus suppliers, and 72 million plus products and services. The company was founded in 1999. The company's mission is to make doing business easy by connecting suppliers and buyers. The business has around 71 million products from 56 different industry sectors. No single industry accounts for more than 10% of marketplace. Industrial plants, machinery and equipment is the largest category in the marketplace, which covers 8% of its market share. Construction and raw material has 7% share. Apparel, clothing and garments has 6%, packing material 6%, consumer electronics and household appliances 5%, and many more products are listed on its website. Let us understand its sales and profit. Company has increased its sales consistently over last few years from 176 crore in 2015 to 670 crore in 2021. Also, company has increased its net profit. Company has a good promoter holding. Also, there is a significant holding from foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors. Company's balance sheet looks good. Company has a reserve of 1581 crore and borrowing is just 64 crores. That is very negligible compared to its reserve. The future business prospectus looks promising. Online space has high growth potential in the coming days as more and more people start using the internet. Current stock price is 6,930 rupees. Its 52 weeks high was 9,952. Compared to 52 weeks high price, currently stock is available at 30% of discount. Please note that this video is for educational purpose only. Please analyze your financial situation and take a decision accordingly. Thank you for watching.